This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning on high-accuracy GPS and confirming a steady fix. You need consistent location points. Open your mapping app or GPS logger and set WGS 84 coordinates. Start at a clear corner and tap record or start track. Walk the perimeter at a steady pace, pausing at each vertex to capture a clean point. Once done, save the track with a meaningful name so you can identify it later, and make sure to keep the device oriented consistently while collecting points. You continue by creating a reliable point set for area calculation. Save each vertex and add extra points along curved edges to reduce error. Next, export the recorded track as GPX, KML, or CSV containing lat/lon pairs. Choose the option that preserves precision. Once exported, open the file and scan for spikes, duplicated points, or gaps. If you see jumps, delete or recollect those segments. Then, reorder points if needed so the polygon is closed, and vertices proceed in sequence around the perimeter. You finish by converting lat/lon to a suitable projection, UTM or local planar, so distance and area math are accurate. Alternatively, use geodesic formulas that handle lat/lon directly. Load your coordinates into GIS, an online area tool, or run a script that computes polygon area and outputs M2 or acres. Once done, compare expected size to computed value. If results look off, make sure points are in correct order, remove spikes, and if necessary, recollect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.